Glam.
Oh my god, it doesn't even look like me. This video's taking an hour. I'm gonna be yawning like your whole video. You're covering my view.
Good. I'm the view.
I'm so scared.
No, you have to get a check from him because the mom's sick.
Okay, ask him for money, got it.
Too. I gotta sneeze. I don't trust you anymore. You and Michaela do that all the time. You're like, last time you literally cut me out. I was like here the entire time. My head's cut off.
My hair looks like shit.
Now we're so far away. I'm so used to it being so close.
So I'm gonna spray your face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. You act like it's gonna hurt.
I don't.
It's literally just spray.
Yeah, but you got it in my mouth.
Why would you have your mouth open? So I'm gonna take her e.l.f. Hydrating Primer.
Like, I would get makeup done there. They're always so like mean. They're like, I'm putting this up. Like they're gonna rub my skin off. You're just like delicately like touching my face. I'm like, oh, it kind of feels good though.
My nose is so tiny.
Shut up, leave my nose alone.
It's cute. Hello? Yes. Good, how are you? I'm sure.
Y'all should go subscribe to me. My channel. So I'm gonna be linked below. Cause she left me alone. Cause she gotta go adult. Tell her she sucks. She's gonna see this while she's editing.
So I'm gonna take the Almay Clear Complexion. It's not gonna focus. Here we go. This is the lightest shade, 100 Ivory. So I really like the Lancome pen one, but that's literally like $30. But now that I have a discount, I can afford it!
Oh my god!
I'm so happy.
Oh my god. Me at work. Have you tried the salad? No, but I heard it's so good. Dude, when you were doing that, my eyes were twitching the entire time.
Look up. You want to make sure you blend down the neck. You're gonna work with what you got under the eyes. But it's because like there's no really drugstore concealer that's lighter than like the lightest foundation. But this one actually like shows up. Like it's not. Like this foundation isn't your shade though, so.
It's good, but it's like.
I feel like it's kind of watery. Like it's not really.
I think it's because it's
coverage.
old. I don't remember when I got it. That's a problem.
Oh my god, that's when you know you can throw it away if you don't remember. Gonna spray your face to help blend everything together.
See, now you're not gentle anymore.
You gotta like beat the concealer because
she's beating me. Call the cops.
Yeah, I don't like this concealer. I'm covering it up a little with mine. I don't like how that's turning out.
Does it look tacky?
It looks terrible.
Yeah, that's why I don't use it anymore. But I keep forgetting
concealer.
I keep forgetting to grab my from the bathroom.
Just covering that up.
What in my mouth? What is that?
ColourPop.
From where?
I'm online.
Ulta?
I don't actually. I think they actually might have it, but I ordered it from ColourPop.
Oh.
It's like their ColourPop recently went into like Sephora and Ulta, but I don't think they have like everything because there's a lot of ColourPop stuff. But it's like all affordable. And they have like sales like 2 for $10 for like their concealers.
Oh, really?
So you can get like 2 for like the price of 1 basically.
Oh, you're so close to my eye. It's making me go crazy.
Oh my god.
2. Whoa. I like how you're holding my head still.
It's because you're moving. I have to hold your head. Throw it
Oh
away.
my god.
Throw it away.
I see myself in there and holy Jesus. Oh my, I don't even look like myself.
Well, no one wears makeup like that. What do you mean?
You're covering my view.
I'm the view.
Ow. That hurts. I got a tiny button nose. Ow. Where's my phone? I should probably turn the volume on.
Why?
Just in
Are you
case.
expecting someone?
Yes.
Yeah. But since you don't have setting powder, I'm going to use my Airspun powder. And I'm going to take this fluffy brush.
It's a generic fluffy brush. Nothing special. I can like
Smell
like
it.
yeah, what in my mouth? My nose is ill.
Gentle.
I'm patting it.
This brush is shedding on you.
That's why I don't really use it, because
It's the only like fluffy brush you
I
have.
know.
You need a
Does
fluffy. Oh my god.
Real Techniques have a fluffy brush like that?
Oh my god, this brush is terrible. Look up.
Oh my god. I'm going cross-eyed. Oh my. I couldn't do that. Oh my. I don't like this. Okay, this eye wasn't that bad. I don't know what was going on with that one. Okay.
Don't look at it.
Go cross-eyed.
I'm gonna bronze with the Shade and Light palette, which I definitely need to get a new one. I'm gonna take her blush palette. It's the e.l.f. one. Light, light. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna take her Urban Decay Afterglow palette and take the lightest shade.
Whoa, I can see it though.
My Wet n Wild. It's blinding. You're gonna like it.
Get your sunglasses on. I'll go home now.
Now do the side view. Look at that. You see that?
Oh my god.
That's blinding to the gods.
We're like 6 feet, not 6 feet, but like
far away. It's
pretty far
noticeable.
away.
Like you did a flash picture.
Oh my god.
Where's Emily when you need her? Flash.
She like pops out the corner, hey, tick, and then leaves.
She like got it.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna fill in with the NYX brow pencil, but it's in brunette, and then I'm gonna go over this Ardell Soft Black like fiber gel. I've never used it since my eyebrows aren't black, but we'll see how it works.
I've only had my eyebrows done, like filled in once. And Michaela did them
Like, it
so
looks
dark.
good. That's how you do it, because you want them like, you know, brows are usually like the main focus nowadays.
I don't like when my brows are done. I like when they look semi-natural.
Well, I like it for like a natural look, but like if you're doing glam.
She literally has like my shoulder trapped right now with her elbows.
And the difference.
Whoa. This one looks so much darker.
It's literally filled in.
Ah! Dude, I don't think I've ever seen my face like this. I always feel weird when like people like hairstylists and makeup people, whenever they're like right here, I'm like, do I look you in the eye or do I look somewhere else? What do I do?
Like I like it when I actually know the person, because like Cece is the only one that like touches my face and hair. Like No, like, but if it was like a total stranger, like when I was getting my makeup done at BC and it looked like shit, I'm like, what is this bitch doing? Like, help, send help. So I was like looking at all the products she's using, I'm like, no honey, like what are you doing?
No honey. I feel like I would look like a bitch every day if I did my eyebrows like this dark.
I'm gonna attempt eyeliner.
Oh god.
It's because like you never do it, so I want to see you with like full. Well, actually, I want to try with my Lancome one that's running out and then go over it. But I'm gonna have a discount.
Oh my god.
You don't even know how happy I'll be. Like I'll literally probably waste my entire paycheck on makeup because I'll be like, I have a discount, I can buy it. How many do I want to do an eye look? No, because all my brushes are dirty.
What do I do?
Close.
Oh my god. I'm so scared. This video is taking an hour.
Glam.
Oh my gosh, it doesn't even look like me. I don't know if I like it or not. Oh my gosh. It's
You have such long eyelashes.
I know, I love them.
Lips. Your lips together like chapstick like that. All done.
It's beautiful.
Okay, so what do I do now? You and Michaela do that all the time. You're like,